everyone, this is Lilia from Rinpack. As we can see, the flat bottle bed has 5 panels of printing surface area, which can provide increased breathable space for a brand. This kind of bed are more stable on shelves. And are easy to step, providing convenience both to retailers and consumers. They are laminated with aluminum foil lamination that provide a high barrier against the oxygen, moisture, and other contamination. So, using this kind of bag can extend the shelf life and service life of your food in the hands of manufacturers and customers. All of our bags are past the test. It won't leak. You can rest assured. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. See you next time.